We end tonight with the clearest pictures yet of Neptune, the most distant planet in our solar system. Take a look. The striking infrared images were taken this summer by the James Webb Space Telescope.
What if I told you that the James Webb Space Telescope just caught something crashing into Neptune? An event so massive that it shook the very fabric of the planet itself. The James Webb Space Telescope, with its unmatched infrared vision, has just delivered one of the most shocking observations of our time. While monitoring the outer reaches of the solar system, Webb spotted something no one expected: a colossal object slamming into Neptune, the icy blue giant, nearly 3 billion miles from Earth. This wasn't just another observation. It was a once-in-a-lifetime glimpse of planetary chaos playing out in real time. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss the biggest cosmic update. Neptune has always been an enigma. Despite being the fourth largest planet, its remoteness has left it largely mysterious. Our best close-up was from Voyager 2 back in 1989, which showed us wild storms, supersonic winds, and that iconic deep blue glow from methane. Since then, we've relied on telescopes like Hubble and now Webb to track its weather and faint rings. But never, until now, had humanity witnessed a direct impact on this distant world. The Webb data was clear. A sudden thermal surge rippled through Neptune's atmosphere, coupled with strange chemical traces. This suggested that something foreign, likely a massive comet or icy body from the Kuiper Belt, had plunged into the planet's skies. And we're not talking about a small rock. To create such a visible signature, the intruder must have been tens, maybe even hundreds of kilometers wide. Unlike Earth, Neptune has no solid ground for an object to slam into. Instead, as the body entered its dense atmosphere, it compressed the gases in front of it, creating shockwaves that tore outward at supersonic speeds. Instead of leaving a crater, the impactor fragmented and dissolved, sprinkling exotic chemicals into Neptune's turbulent clouds. Webb picked up hints of ammonia, carbon-based molecules, and ices never before detected in Neptune's sky, a cosmic fingerprint of the wanderer that met its end there. The violence of this impact is staggering. Imagine the energy of millions of nuclear bombs going off at once. That's the kind of power released here, and it didn't just fade away quietly. Webb later spotted unusual bright spots, swirling storms, and chaotic disturbances across Neptune's bands of clouds, atmospheric echoes of the impact, reshaping the planet's weather in real time. But the story doesn't stop with Neptune. Events like this remind us that the solar system is still alive, still dynamic. We often think of impacts as ancient history, the kind that wiped out the dinosaurs or delivered water to early Earth. But Webb's discovery shows they're still happening today, even in the frozen outskirts of our system. Neptune, sitting on the edge of the Kuiper Belt, acts as a gravitational gatekeeper, pulling in wandering objects. In a sense, this impact was inevitable. The very planet that shaped the orbits of countless icy bodies became the victim of one. The implications are enormous. Studying such a collision allows scientists to refine our understanding of how impacts shape planets. Not just here, but across the galaxy. Many exoplanets discovered orbiting distant stars are Neptune-like worlds. By witnessing an actual impact on Neptune, astronomers get a living laboratory to understand what might be happening on those alien giants, where impacts could trigger storms, alter atmospheres, or even affect the habitability of their moons. And here's the twist. This wasn't just luck. Collisions on Neptune, or any of the outer gas and ice giants, are not everyday events. In fact, astronomers estimate that large-scale impacts on a planet like Neptune may only occur once every few centuries, or even millennia. The sheer vastness of time between such encounters makes Webb's observation almost miraculous. To put it in perspective, humanity has only had the technology to study Neptune in any detail for a few decades. Voyager 2's historic flyby in 1989 gave us the first close-up snapshots of the planet. But after that, Neptune has largely remained a distant, mysterious sphere at the edge of our sight. For Webb to capture such a rare cosmic event during its relatively short operational window is a reminder that sometimes timing and technology align in extraordinary ways. But this also highlights something far more profound: the role of the James Webb Space Telescope as a guardian of the cosmic frontier. Unlike ground-based observatories, Webb is free from the distortions of Earth's turbulent atmosphere. From its vantage point nearly 1,000,000 miles away at the second Lagrange point, it has an unobstructed view of the universe in stunning clarity. While much of the public imagination sees Webb as a tool for exploring the most ancient galaxies or peering into the cradles of star formation, this discovery proves it is equally powerful. Impact had occurred just a century earlier, or even a decade before Webb's launch. Humanity would have missed it entirely. The collision would have come and gone in silence, hidden by Neptune's distance and the faint glow of its icy atmosphere. The debris and chemical signatures would have dissipated into obscurity, and we would be none the wiser. Webb's timing ensures that instead of being lost, this event becomes a scientific treasure trove, a data set future generations will continue to analyze for decades. It is a reminder that space exploration is not only about chasing the unknown, but also about being present at the right moment to witness history as it unfolds on a planetary scale. This also underscores the unpredictability of the cosmos. Astronomers can model orbital mechanics with remarkable precision, predicting eclipses, comet returns, or planetary alignments centuries in advance. But impacts, those sudden, violent encounters between wandering objects and planets, are far harder to anticipate. These are the wild cards of the solar system. They can happen with little warning, reshaping atmospheres, injecting new chemical elements, and even altering the dynamics of moons or rings. The fact that Webb captured one in progress shows why such telescopes are not just luxuries, but necessities. They stand watch for us, ready to catch the universe in moments of unscripted drama. Neptune's collision, as revealed by Webb, also serves as a symbolic expansion of what the telescope represents. For years, its mission has been described in terms of looking back in time, as it peers at light that has traveled billions of years across space. Yet this impact reminds us that Webb is just as important for documenting the here and now. It is our cosmic reporter, recording events across our solar system in exquisite detail, events that speak to the constant dynamism of the planets we often think of as cold, static, and unchanging. In this way, Webb functions as both a historian and a sentinel. It writes the story of the universe's ancient beginnings, while simultaneously standing guard over the unfolding events of today. Neptune's impact illustrates the telescope's dual power: to unlock secrets buried in time, and to catch fleeting moments that redefine our understanding of the solar system. And perhaps most importantly, it reminds us that the universe is not a finished story. It is alive, unpredictable, and still writing new chapters that Webb, with its unmatched vision, is here to record. Neptune's collision is a powerful reminder that the universe is not a static backdrop. It's a living, moving, colliding drama, unfolding every second. And how many more secrets will Webb reveal before its mission is done? Thanks for watching. If this cosmic collision blew your mind, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more journeys into the mysteries of space. Until next time, keep looking up, because the universe is far from finished with its surprises.